This winter, ProTech introduced the Pro Cleat skid steer snow tires. In this video, we're going to be running it head to head and testing its capabilities. We're going to be using them on this old Bobcat 863 and testing it against this brand new Bobcat S570 with factory tires. So let's get to it. So the first test is going to be a figure 8 obstacle course. It is freezing out here. This property has not been treated at all, so it's like an ice rink. So they're going to go head to head now. Let's see who wins. All right, we're gonna do one more run and then we're gonna switch operators. Over here we have Chris Muto, and over here we have Jimmy Meyer. So again, one more run, then we're gonna switch operators, see if there's any difference. So in this last race, you saw Chris Muto, our sales operations manager and office guy, was still able to beat Jim Meyer, a very seasoned operator with the Pro Cleats. So for those of you who haven't seen our previous videos about the Pro Cleats, we're going to go through the differences really quick. You can see on the Pro Cleats over here, the narrow profile, the aggressive tread pattern. There's also these little tiny cuts inside each tread that allow and aid for a better grip. Over here, you have your more standard tires. These are your factory tires. As you can see, wider profile, less aggressive tread pattern, obviously not designed for pushing snow. So we just did our figure 8 obstacle course. The next test is going to be a pushing test. We're going to see how much snow these two skid steers can push and see if there's any spinning tires. Alright, so we're done doing our test. We want to talk to Jimmy right now, who's a seasoned operator, what he thought about the Pro Cleats.
Yeah, I'm very impressed about the Pro Cleats. I could feel them cutting through the snow and the ice. The heavy piles I was pushing was unbelievable. I wouldn't have been able to do it with a standard Skidster tire. And they're awesome. They really chew the ice up. Good stuff.
So, if you're interested in the Pro Cleats, go ahead to snowpusher.com for more information. You can order them by going to our nearest dealer, giving us a phone call, and you can even order them online now. Again, snowpusher.com, and we'll see you in the next video.